Hi everyone, and welcome to Bon Voyage. My name is Sarah, and I am just one of the two creators of this Math Global Learning project. Erica and I are super excited to share a love of learning on a global scale with fellow educators. We just wanted to give you a quick project overview of our GLP today. What's nice about this GLP is that grade level 6 and up all have the opportunity to participate. Erica and I will be working together, but I will be spearheading grade levels 6 to 8, and Erica will be spearheading grade levels 9 and up. Now, essentially the goal of the GLP is the same for all grade levels, as students are being asked to create a travel path through the 7 locations that are given to them. However, the details in between are a tad bit different because we wanted to make sure that we were differentiating the project to meet the needs of each grade level. If you go on the grade 6 to 8 page, you can see the details there. Also, the grades 9 and up page, you can see the details there on our website. At the end of the project, students are going to be asked to collaborate with one another on our discussion board. And those details are also given out in all of the resources on the resource page. We are super excited that you are here with us, and we are super thrilled to be making math possible together. Here we go.